How to use IMEI writing program. First of all, please note, this tutorial will not cover driver installation process. First step, you need to set up PC with proper COM port drivers. You will need IMEI writing program, namely Maui Meta version 9.1604.11.00 or later. This program can only rebuild IMEI on MediaTek chipset, whatever it is, bar phone or a smartphone. This program will need the essential driver, for example Android preloader of COM, which probably installed if you have done firmware writing before. Please execute MAUI Meta program. And search for phone category button. For example, if you have a smartphone, then you have to choose smartphone from top on selection radio button. When you're done selection of category, just press reconnect button and plug the target phone with USB cable. Please note at this stage phone must be in power off state. You will notice phone automatically turn on and stuck on logo. But if it does not respond like this or start charging, it means something wrong and you have to replug the USB cable. If everything is fine here, you will get a pop-up window Get Version, which contains some parameters like software version and baseband chip version, etc. Please press Get Target Version for check what is the phone chipset. Please note here, this information is useful for choosing BPL NVRAM file in future when you will exactly going to write IMEI. Here you should note this baseband chipset version. Here the targeted phone baseband chip version is MT6735. Now you can minimize this parameters window and jump to the main program window. Here you can see a list box menu which contains different options. You just need to select IMEI download here. After that you will see next screen with contain IMEI input field. You will also see some sorts of buttons on bottom side. One of them named Change NVRAM database file, which you need choose first. 9. Press that NVRAM database file button and choose a file, namely BPL or modem from firmware directory. I hope you know well where you store firmware directory, as you already learned before that how to check baseband chip and you got the chip version MT6735. I recommend you to choose the BPL or modem file from targeted device firmware directory. After selection, if you face some error, just ignore it. After that you will see a message NVRAM database file initialized successfully. Now go to next step. First please take a dummy IMEI and input an IMEI1 field. And then put second dummy IMEI and IMEI2 tab. Now just press the button, namely download to flash. Wow, you done it. Hope you will not face any trouble in this event. Thank you. Bye bye.